Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how you can convert numbers into words for all languages. So here we have our number data. You go to format, number, and it is in number format. So now we will convert this number into English. So let's do that. Type in the formula, Google Translate. Select this number, comma, th, comma, English. Now we will add one more formula, substitute of Google Translate, comma, BAHTTEXT of this text, comma, BAHT, and again comma, and type rupees. Click on enter. So now the given number is converted into English. So now if you want to convert it to Urdu or Hindi languages, just type in this equal to Google Translate of this, comma, current language is English and the language in which you want to convert is Urdu. Click on enter. So now it will convert this to Urdu. Let us convert it to English, Hindi. Google Translate of this text, comma, the current text is in English, comma, Hindi. The code of Hindi language is HI. So now it has converted it to Hindi. So this is how you can convert numbers into text in your Google Sheet. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel.